Hello! Happy Friday! I'm going to be filming a weekend in my life starting this beautiful Friday morning. I have a Galentine's Day party, I have a Super Bowl party, and a bunch of other fun things. Also just going to be sticking to the same old routines of working out, eating healthy, all that good stuff. So if you're into this kind of content, then make sure to give this video a like and subscribe. And I'm going to sit down for work for the day and get started, but I'll catch up with you guys when something interesting happens. So the first interesting thing of the day is happening. It's smoothie time. I've been on a real smoothie kick lately. I just love fruit in the morning. I feel like it gives me a little bit of an energy boost, so let's get it. Let's try it. I usually like this with orange juice, but I don't have any right now. Yep, cheers. Fun fact, I started playing piano again after many years of not. I am gonna practice my piano. It's also lunchtime, by the way. I'm gonna practice my piano for like 5-10 minutes, and then I'm gonna heat up some lunch. So let's play some really, really advanced songs that you will be so impressed by. Hope they don't copyright that. Let's heat up my meal prep. What up guys? I got my meal prep here. It is a egg roll in a bowl. So it's turkey and coleslaw mix as like the main stuff. And then it's got green onions, carrots, a little bit of rice, and some sauce that's really good. It's like 12:30, so I'm just gonna take my lunch break and then get back to work. Today's kind of like been pretty busy so far, and I wanna finish the work week strong and just hopefully get everything done and not have to work this weekend. I don't normally have to work this weekend, but it's just been an incredibly busy week. And I have something that I have to present on Monday morning, like at 8 a.m. So it kind of has to be done before Monday. Tell me why it's 5:30 on a Friday and I just logged off of work. Like, what was today? Today was a wild goose chase and I'm just done chasing the geese, all right? The sun is setting, which is sad because I haven't gone outside yet today. I told myself I was gonna go to the gym. I might go later, maybe after dinner, but we have dinner plans at 6:30. So I'm just gonna probably chill for a minute because I've been on the computer just... Happy Friday, guys. Can you tell I am worn down?
Yeah, like burgundy.
I can be cozy and warm.
So we just had dinner and got back, and I don't know why, but I feel like going on a walk right now. So here I am. I also had 2 margaritas and some ice cream. So I have a little energy right now. Hey guys, good morning. Happy Saturday. I definitely need to wash my hair today. But I've just been chilling for a minute, drinking my water. I'm gonna make coffee here soon. Last night was so much fun, but I literally just got in bed and scrolled for a while and then passed out. I've been really tired lately. Anyways, I think it snowed a little bit last night. Hey guys, good morning. It is Saturday and I've just kind of been chilling this morning. I actually have a Galentine's party later and we're doing like a presentation party. So I'm making my slides, my topic that I chose. We can like choose the topic and talk about anything we want. Mine is conspiracy theories that I believe in. and it's actually turning out really good. It's almost 10, it's 9:50. I've been up since like 6:30. I am making pizza dough tonight, so I have my starter going. It's just starting to rise. I actually have 2 of these going because I'm making dough for like 5 people for the Galentine's party. And yeah, I'm hungry now though, so I'm gonna make a little bit of oatmeal. I think that I am gonna paint my nails really quick. I've been loving this color. I think it's so beautiful. All right guys, it's been a couple hours. I saunaed and I took a shower and I've just been chilling.
For your channel.
Oh, thank you. I was supposed to be filming today, but I kind of gave up.
That's okay.
What up guys? So I got ready for the day and I'm actually gonna attempt to go on a run. It's been a really long time since I've ran, so I'm just gonna try to get like 2 miles in and see how I feel if I wanna go any longer. It's sunny out, but it's 30 degrees, so we'll see how it goes, but I'm in a much better place than I was yesterday. Yesterday I was kind of feeling a little bit sick, to be honest, and just not that great, but I had a ton of fun at Galentine's. We have a Super Bowl party later today. We are gonna make some buffalo chicken dip, and yeah, I just wanna get outside. I was gonna go and do an upper body day today, but it just looks so like sunny outside. I really haven't been outside a lot this week at all, so I figured let me throw on a long sleeve tee and yeah, just see how long I last out there. Okay, I'm back from it was kind of more a run slash walk, but I went 2.06 miles at an average pace of 14 minutes per mile, and my moving time was 30 minutes and 32 seconds. So yeah, pretty good. Just, you know, I didn't have any expectations for this run. I wasn't like pushing myself super hard. I just wanted to get outside, and I did that. Okay, so I just got ready. It is, I think like 1:45. We're gonna leave here and go to the grocery store and pick up some stuff for the dip and then go to our friends for the Super Bowl party. So it's definitely been a fun, chill day. I might just continue this vlog into Monday, Tuesday, and just keep it going because why not? But anyways, I'm having a really good day. I would just dump it on there.
I want to get it.
So he's doing McMillan's?
Yeah.
Hey guys, what up? It is actually Tuesday. I haven't picked up the camera in a while, but I thought I would film a little bit of my day. It is a work day, and I think it's gonna be mostly like a heads down computer working on decks and writing and that kind of thing, but it did snow last night. I love the snow. Being from Alaska, this is like so cozy. But I already made my coffee and I'm gonna go down and start work for the day. Got the beverage lineup for today. Iced whole milk latte with honey and cinnamon, and water with a sprinkle of Celtic sea salt. I made a smoothie just now. I forgot to film it, sorry. But it is just banana, some frozen fruit, water, and vanilla protein powder, and it's hitting the spot. I might have my performance review in about 15 minutes. I say might because I'm kind of playing it by ear. It might need to be rescheduled. So if I have it, then I'm ready. I'm ready to go. I'm looking forward to it, honestly. But if I don't have it, then I have other work to do. So we're chilling. All right, so I guess no review today. That's okay, but I'm gonna get some steps in while I work on this presentation. It's 5 o'clock somewhere, and it is 5 o'clock here. Today was something else, more for personal reasons. I'm gonna go hit the gym. I'm gonna change into a sweatshirt and do some kind of workout. I don't really know what I wanna do. I think like anything goes today. And then I'm gonna come back and do my little wellness night routine because I've really been enjoying it on days where I'm stressed out or just like have a lot going on. I'm gonna hit the sauna, I'm gonna shower, I'm gonna journal, the vibes. It's gonna be good. All right, let's hit the gym, come home, make some dinner, and then get into the fun shit. I probably should hit upper body today, but I also want to hit legs. I think I'm just gonna start on the treadmill for a little bit and just get some steps in. I did walk on my walking pad this morning for like an hour, so that's good, but could always use some more steps. Kobe. Anyways, comment down below what your job is. I am a marketing specialist. I'm putting deodorant on. And I work for a tech consulting company, and it's fun most of the time. What do you do? Are you in marketing? Are you in finance? Are you in a corporate job? Not a corporate job? No job? Remote? Really curious what y'all be up to. Make sure to hydrate. Can you guys believe that some people don't like water? That's just childish. Water's the best thing ever. Shout out to water. Big appreciation to water. I had to trim my nails because they were getting too long and they were starting to chip off. And if you don't know that I'm an avid nail biter, but I finally sort of stopped. And they were a lot longer than this. They look short, but it's not because I bit them, it's because I filed them. This is a big step for me. Big step. I put my hair up, got my water, got my headphones, got my phone, music device. Let's go do some movement. I don't know. I'm really grasping at straws here to try to be excited. I don't want to go to the gym, but we got to do it for health reasons. I am back. Great workout. I did not film any of it. I just filmed me on the treadmill, and I went and picked up some wine for cooking. I actually did full dry January, and I really haven't been drinking that much. I drank maybe twice in February so far, and I didn't feel like I needed to. It was kind of there and it was fun, whatever, but I've really cut back on drinking and I've been feeling pretty good. I didn't really drink that much before, but just taking an intentional break was really nice. The workout was great. It was really busy in there, that's why I didn't film, but I did some assisted pull-ups. I did like some negative pull-ups, so that's when you're like up there and then you go down without any weight. And try to do it like really slow and controlled. And I did some gorilla rows and lat pull downs, but on the machine, so you can do like one arm at a time. My left is definitely weaker than my right. So they say I don't know, like gym people, start with your weaker side. That's what I was trying to get at. But yeah, so I think we're gonna just do a simple dinner tonight. Just gonna put some burritos together real quick, just like ground beef burritos, corn, rice. So I'm gonna make dinner and then I'm gonna continue on with my little wellness night routine. Today's really been a weird day. So I just this has been nice. And the gym felt really good and it was needed today. And I'm glad that I went and I didn't just sit on the couch and honestly scroll on my phone or just like watch my show. Because I feel good now. Problem is if you microwave it too long, then it gets a little soggy.
I thought you were gonna that up big time when I first started watching.
I love this sauna so much. It's my new favorite thing.
3, 2, 1. Arguing